Hey, g'day, Rudy here. So I tend to do videos on by each ETF. So I'm just going to go through all the ETFs that I'm invested in and that I've talked about since I started the channel. And I guess you could call them the ninjas that are attached to the tank MVR. Okay, so MVR we get talking of, alright. So there's about 10 of them that are my main invested ETFs, and you won't find any bank or tech ETFs. Alright, so we'll go through the ones listed on the ASX. So there's GDX, which is your global gold miners. There's MNRS, which is your global gold miners, except it's hedged. So if the Aussie dollar goes up, it will outperform GDX. So that's why I think Aussie dollar is going to go up by MNRS. MNRS is the preferred one. ETP MAG, which is your exposure to physical silver. The food ETF, which is your exposure to global agriculture. There's the wire ETF. So all of these is where I don't know, as time goes on, you're just gonna have to keep buying them. So I don't know if you're late to the channel. Sorry. So wire, global copper ETFs, fuel, not late. This is your global oil and gas producers. URNM, been banging on this for a while. Anyway, this is your global uranium producers. Okay, so they're all available on the ASX that people are invested in, and myself. Okay, so now we go through the US-based ETFs, and I've had some queries about people saying, "Oh, you got to pay 15% tax on profits, and there's currency risk." Or investing in these US-based ETFs is no different to investing in, like, say, IVV, that invests in the S&P 500. The only difference is you send the money to America and then buy American shares. It's the same with you give money to IVV here on the ASX, and they take your money and go buy shares in the US. It's the same currency fluctuation that goes to your portfolio. Anyway, the reason I say that is because there's just like this COCJ, what is the junior producers of the wire, and in a bull market, those producers, not explorers drilling holes, they're producers, outperform the bigger ones. The same as this URNJ. So Paladin, our uranium producers in this one, it's not in URNM because it's not big enough. GDXJ, so there's your global gold producers, but smaller than the Newmonts, the big gold companies. SILJ, this is going to be an investment of a lifetime. This thing, silver producers. We don't have any of them on the ASX, not even stocks. So you're missing out big time, in my words. LitP, so this is your global lithium producers. We've got some, Pilbara, Liontown, but there's lots around the world too that are in LitP that you can't get here on the ASX. And then lastly, REMX, the rare earths. We've got Linus, but this one's got a whole bunch of other rare earth producers in them. Alright, so I just want to do a summary of all the ETFs that I talk about in one, because usually I just do them one by one, and this is the type of thing that we talk about in this channel for all the new subscribers. Alright, have a good week. Say out.